In this video, we are going to be unboxing a 4-lens solar-powered CCTV camera. Now, most of the solar CCTV cameras in the market are going to come in a box like this, but this one is a 4-lens CCTV camera. And what we have on the box is Ultra HD, 10x zoom, always on video, 24 hours video recording. You can pan, tilt, zoom. There's motion detection. It's powered by solar energy, two-way audio, color night vision, smart alarming depending on what you want. And there's some pretty scenarios here on this that allow you to have some remote viewing on your phone. And then the other side is the same thing. And then you now have a 4-lens solar powered camera with a built-in battery that's about 10,000 milliamperes. Comes with 2 solar panels, rotation that is 0 to 350 degrees. We also have tilt rotation, two-way audio, smart human detection, and support for SD card storage of a maximum of 256 GB. Now, this is what the box looks like, and let's do the unboxing to see what's in our box. So, there we have it. Once you open, you're going to get some screws, and to mount the solar camera, you're going to get a manual and some labels here that can help guide you know where to actually position the screws for you to mount your solar CCTV camera. So let's remove this, and then you're going to get into the box, and there are a couple of things. You may get this wire right there, but most of them do have them. These are for charging, that is the solar, dual solar panels, and then this goes into the camera. So we've got that cable, and then we've got another cable that you can use. You can plug a power bank or plug this directly into electricity with an adapter and charge your solar CCTV. So there's that. And then we've got the camera itself. It's a 4-lens CCTV camera. 1 lens, 2 lens, 3 lens, 4 lenses. Now, this is what it looks like, and you can tilt this to the direction that you want it to be, like that. So when you mount it, it's going to be mounted like that. These particular lenses are actually adjustable. These ones, you can move them, turn them the way you want. You need to do this manually. As for this main one here, it's a PTZ, pan, tilt, zoom sort of lens. So we've got our camera right there, and then we've got other accessories right here, and these are the 2 solar panels, and this is a 7.5 watt solar panel that you are going to use to power up your solar CCTV. So whether it's sunny or not, they do give you some juice for your CCTV. So we've got one, and then we've got the other one right here for you to actually use. So what else comes in the box? We also have brackets for mounting the solar panels. So 2 brackets right there. More or less, this is the whole setup of how everything looks like. 2 solar panels, 2 brackets, the main unit, the 4G solar powered always on video CCTV camera, a cable to charge the solar camera, maybe using a power bank or an electricity outlet, and this is where you actually join these 2. You join that, and then this one you plug it in to your solar CCTV right here. So you plug it in right there. So when you have your solar panels outside, hosted somewhere, that is how you connect both of them. And they do have at least a long cable, so you can have them in particular different sections of where you put them, so that if it's in the morning, you get the sun, in the evening, you get some sun. So you can have them looking something like this, so that you always have power being available to your solar CCTV. That is the unboxing of a 4-lens 4G powered solar CCTV camera. I hope this video is of value to you. Thank you so much for watching.